chilly. What is it, about 16 Celsius, 17 maybe? It's supposed to go down to 7 Celsius tonight, so. Sky looks like it's gonna rain. Just making supper. One of my favorites. Got some burgers, frying. Then they're gonna take them out, make some gravy, simmer them in gravy. I'm gonna put some mashed potatoes in there, fry them up, because we don't have a microwave to heat them, so I'm gonna fry them up, make them a bit crispy. And some peas, a can of peas. That ought to do it. Well, so far so good. Potatoes, the mashed potatoes, just frying them up and they're browning nicely. Burgers are cooked, simmering in some gravy. Kathy's in the camper doing some peas straight out of the garden. Straight out of the garden, alright, eh? Canned peas. We just put gravy on top of them and the mashed potatoes and the burger. Nice and warm in here. Ooh.
That's why I'm sitting here.
It's cold out. Labor Day weekend. What are you gonna do? Well, the sun popped back up a bit. Some blue sky. But holy mackerel, it rained on and off. Got lots of firewood. Like I say, it's supposed to get cold tonight, so. Okay, still no smoke, no flames. So everything's going good. So that's it. Ready to dish out. It's got everything you need. Fat, grease, cholesterol, carbohydrates, and then the peas. Those counteract everything. Makes everything good again. And if you put gravy on it, it just helps it go down. Gonna taste good. It's one of them cheap meals that's easy when you're out camping. Tomorrow will be a different story. Tomorrow was steak day. But today we just wanted something quick, easy, and tasty. I like gravy. It's gonna work just fine. So the next day we decided to hike the Mountain Portage Trail that the fur traders used to circumnavigate the Kakabeka Falls to get down to the bottom of the riverbed. Let's see what this gives. We've done it a few times, but it's rained, so it may be slippery. See how she goes. If you want to pause and read, pretty small text. Okay. You gotta hang on to things because it rained yesterday quite a bit, so everything's gonna, holy crap, everything's gonna be, oh, I'm losing traction. Everything's wet, it's gonna be slippery, possibly pretty muddy. Hang on to your hat. Hey, we made it down that godforsaken hill. Now, imagine being a fur trader back then, no mosquito repellents, carrying heavy packs full of furs and food and supplies, canoes, and these weren't no little canoes, these were freighter canoes, and you made your way through this, and you're paralleling the Cam River, which they would relaunch their canoes and paddle out to Old Fort William, which is, like I said, at the mouth of Lake Superior. And from there they would go to destinations all around Lake Superior selling their furs. But Old Fort William was the Northwest Company's main headquarters. So that was their destination. So this is where the fur traders would put their canoes back in the water, make their way down the river, all the way out to Lake Superior at the mouth where Old Fort William was located. Got a little bit of a walkway. I guess this area gets pretty wet because of that. Cliffs and the water runs down, but right now it's not too bad, which is amazing because we did get a lot of rain yesterday. How erosion has knocked down some of these trees. A big cedar tree down and split. Pretty rugged. This is the Ontario Hydro Generating Station. They take water from the Kaministiquia River and divert it down through here to produce electricity. So fairly old. It's an old building. It's been around forever and still going. As you can see, the river's getting wider as it makes its way to Lake Superior. Now the thing about this is bears. Black bear country. And it's fall time and they're trying to put on the feed bag. And there's been a lot of bear sightings, so who knows. Hang around in this video, you might see me getting eaten alive. Hey, here's a little bridge we're gonna have to cross. A little bit of water, nothing serious. Well, what route do you take? Let's take the one to the left. Ooh, sliding, no traction. Whoa. Nope, I'm sliding. Okay. Well, I see all these slip marks, so I know I'm not the only one that's sliding back. Yeah. Oh, we must be getting close. You see a little creek here. Runoff from Little Falls. Doesn't look like much water, so I'm sure the falls is not going to be all that spectacular, but we'll make our way.
What is that thing?
And this is Little Falls. It's high, but not a whole lot of flow. We're taking the top route back. This is nothing but hills, up and down. Hear me huffing and puffing? Another little bridge.
Hardly any water.
Yeah, hardly no water. We're up here, and way down is the other trail we took along the river. So we're up pretty high. Not a bad view. And I don't know if you could see it, but across the river, right over there, is the overflow for the hydro plant. There's too much water running through. It just gets bypassed into that pipe and then back down into the river below. Nice little breeze here. Welcome breeze. Sweating. See? Coors Light. Figure you could use one of them right about now. So after that hike, we stopped in the village of Kakabeka and picked up a couple pogos. This is his last weekend here. He's shutting down for the winter. See him again next year.